I did something crazy. Hair like new in 4 minutes. She's in here. K18. Everybody is talking about it on social media. I'm scrolling on TikTok and all I see is everybody talking about K18. I was very curious to try it and I had to go grab it. And I actually bought the small size, but so freaking expensive. Let me tell you a little bit of background on this in case you haven't heard of K18. Everybody has been raving about K18 and saying that it repairs your hair in literally just 4 minutes. I find that a little bit unbelievable, and so that is why I want to try it today. You guys know I'm a big lover of Olaplex number 6. All of their line is so good, so I am going to try this one out today and compare it with this one at the end. This is what my hair currently looks like. It's been through a lot from color and heat damage, so let's see how much repair K18 can do. Moment of truth, let's try this. First thing I'm gonna do, they didn't say to brush your hair, but I'm going to do it anyway because it's so tangled. It pains me that I didn't put any conditioner because it's so dry. This better be a miracle. Next step, towel dry. I'm using a microfiber towel. I'm gonna be honest, I'm actually very scared and nervous. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Let's put the product on. Okay, begin with 3 pumps and add more as needed. Okay. This is like $5 right here. First reaction, it feels really smooth actually, but 3 pumps only works for one side of my hair. Let's do 3 more for this side. Another $5. Dang. I actually feel like it's not enough. Like, I feel like I put it on the side of my hair, but the back of my hair is not getting any love. So I'm gonna do 2 more pumps.
Well, after 4 minutes yesterday, this is what my hair looks like. It's really hard to tell the difference when my hair was wet. It did feel somewhat softer, but it felt like I needed something else. So I went back and misted my hair with some water and then added some of my go-to products.
Did this K18 actually repair my hair in 4 minutes? I did use this styling thing as a wide tooth comb and like combed most of my hair out, brushed it out, and it actually feels really nice and it's not as tangled as usual. So for the pros of this K18, the pros, it does work significantly faster than most of the products that I've used. And I've only used it once so far, so it is a drastic improvement. My hair, I usually don't feel comfortable with it looking like this, but I honestly think it looks fine today and it feels pretty nice as well. So it did its job of making it softer, and we're going to see what it looks like in the back of my head whenever I get someone to film it to see if there's some shine to it. The cons is that this tiny little bottle is very, very expensive. I mean, this is 15 milliliters and it is $30. The full size is 50 milliliters and it is $75, and you have to add tax with that. So depending on where you are, it's $75 for 50 milliliters and $30 for the 15 milliliters. So very, very expensive, but I'm guessing because you don't use this very often, it will probably last you a little bit longer and you could probably see the effects more long term. Like number 6. Well, the first pro, it is much more affordable in comparison to K18 because this is about $30 with milliliters. Meanwhile, this is also about $30 with only 15 milliliters. So overall, Olaplex number 6 is a little bit more accessible in terms of pricing, and you get a little bit more product for what you spend. K18 is a lot more expensive, but I do think that it gives more dramatic results in a quicker time versus Olaplex. So it really depends on what your need is and what you're going for. Personally, my whole goal with trying this K18 is to test out whether their claim of hair like new in 4 minutes is true. And well, I actually don't think that it did a miracle difference in 4 minutes, but after applying my extra products on and leaving it overnight, waking up into the next morning, I can see a huge difference in my hair, and I actually really love it. So I think I will probably purchase a bigger one of this and use it sparingly on days where I might have a special occasion. If you guys want to see my full hair care routine and the extra products that I put into my hair, check out this video right here. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Time for the two of us, ooh, I ain't got space.